In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate OneDrive with Notion. If you're looking to seamlessly connect your cloud storage with your note-taking and organization tool, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get this integration set up quickly. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Notion account. It's important to start from your main dashboard where all your workspaces are visible. This is your home base, and everything you need should be accessible from here. Next up, locate the Settings menu within Notion. You'll typically find it as a small icon, often resembling a gear or a similar symbol. Clicking on this will open a menu with various customizable options for your account and workspace. From here, our focus will be on the options related to connections, so go ahead and click on the Connections tab. Now, you're in the Connections area. Look for an option that reads something like Browse Connections and Gallery. This option allows you to explore and choose different apps and services that Notion can integrate with, OneDrive being one of them. Once you click on this, you'll be taken to a list or gallery view where you can search for the specific service you wish to connect. In the search bar provided, type in OneDrive. It's crucial to ensure no typos here, as it's the link to everything stored in your Microsoft Cloud account. Once OneDrive appears in the list of results, go ahead and click on it. This brings you to the OneDrive integration page within Notion. Here, you'll see more details about what this connection entails. Look for a button that says Add to Notion. Clicking on this button initiates the actual connection process. After this, you'll be prompted to sign into your Microsoft account. Make sure your credentials are correct. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be ready to pass through that as well. Once signed in, you'll need to grant the necessary permissions for Notion to access your OneDrive files. These permissions are crucial for allowing seamless interaction between your OneDrive files and your Notion workspace. And that's it. Once you've completed these steps, your OneDrive is now integrated with Notion. This setup means you can easily access and manage your OneDrive files directly from Notion, making file management and project coordination much smoother. Thanks for following along. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Whether you're organizing your digital workspace or collaborating with a team, stay tuned for more ways to enhance your productivity with Notion integrations.